So, imaginein mo, yung pera mo i-save mo sa kanila and then gagamitin nila yon, iikot nila yung money mo sa loans, sa investments, and everything. And ang ibibigay lang nilang share sa'yo is 0.1% to 0.25%. So, bakit may gap?
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand and go.
Hi my dear wanderers, this is your Wandering Good Vibes, GV Caplas. And I do videos about travel, lifestyle, and personal growth. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now for more videos like this. And hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I have a new video. Alright, so before we start, disclaimer lang muna guys. So lahat ng i-share ko dito ay merely personal advices based on my personal experiences. So these are all my own thoughts. So hindi po ako financial advisor or anything. So based on experience lang lahat to. So at the end of the day, kayo pa rin na magiging responsible sa sarili niyang finances. Before I dive in deeper sa digital banks na ginagamit ko, which are DiskarTech, CIMB, and ING, mag-quick comparison lang muna tayo sa traditional banks versus sa digital banks. So, example ng traditional banks are BPI, BDO, East West, Security, Metrobank. And for digital banks, for this particular video, ang i-feature ko ay DiskarTech, CIMB, and ING. Yung tatlong digital banks na yan, yun talagang ginagamit ko as of now. So, let's start with the first comparison, which is PDIC Insured. Both traditional and digital banks are PDIC Insured. So, meaning, yung money nyo is insured. Number 2, physical branches. Traditional banks have physical branches versus digital banks. Wala silang physical branches pero meron lang silang head office dito sa Philippines. So advantage yon sa traditional banks kasi yun is meron kang face-to-face interaction. Kunyari, may magka-aberya or may kang inquiry sa account mo, meron kang makakausap face-to-face. Pwede kang pumunta sa branches nila para makipag-usap sa customer service or tellers, ganyan. Versus sa digital banks, ang advantage, wala silang physical branches, pero meron ka namang pwedeng i-email siguro or hotline na pwedeng tawagan. Advantage din yun sa digital banks kasi dahil wala silang physical branches, wala silang overhead cost, less yung ginagastos nila, kaya mas nakakapagbigay sila sa atin ng mas mataas na interest rate. Number 3, maintaining balance. For traditional banks, meron silang maintaining balance. As for me, Metrobank ko merong 2,000. For some account, savings account ng BPI, meron kang maintaining balance. For digital banks, wala silang maintaining balance. So, meaning, kahit na ma-zero yon, hindi ka ma-charge. Next, fund transfer fees. For banks, most of the banks have, for example, BPI, meron kang 25 pesos na fee if you are going to transfer to other banks. For digital banks, fund transfer is through PesoNet, InstaPay, or DragonPay, depending on the app. For these 3, wala silang transfer fees. For DiskarTech kasi, DiskarTech is like Paymaya and GCash, except that pwede ka lang kumita sa savings mo sa app. So, for transfer fees, hanggang end of 2021, wala silang fund transfer fee. Next is opening of account requirements. For traditional banks, usually it's 2 valid IDs or government IDs. Versus for digital banks, They only require one valid ID and your Philippine mobile number. Next is physical card. For traditional banks, yes, they have ATM, debit cards. For digital banks, depende sa app. For DiskarTech, wala pa. For CIMB, you have to have the Fast Plus account para meron kang physical card. For Fast Plus account, you should have 100,000 dun sa account mo. For ING naman, yes, they have the debit card. Ito, meron na ako. So, Visa din siya. Lastly, interest rate. Ang pinaka-X factor sa lahat ng comparison. Traditional banks will give you low interest rate lang. 0.1% to 0.25%. So, imaginein mo, yung pera mo i-save mo sa kanila and then gagamitin nila yon, iikot nila yung money mo sa loans, sa investments and everything. And ang ibibigay lang nilang share sa'yo is 0.1% to 0.25%. So, bakit may gap? Depende kasi yung interest na maibibigay depende sa ekonomiya ng bansa, ng ating Pilipinas. So, versus sa digital banks which will give you high interest rate, for CIMB, they have Upsave and GSave account. GSave account is ma-open mo siya through GCash. They will give you 2.6% interest rate. While Upsave account is may open mo ang Upsave account through CIMB app. They will give you 2.5% interest rate. For ING naman, they will give you 2.5% interest rate. And for DiskarTech, they will give you 3.25% interest rate. For DiskarTech, which I love, kasi siya yung pinakamataas na interest rate na binibigay, 3.25%. And aside from that, siya lang yung consistent lang. Kahit na bumababa or tumataas yung ekonomiya, siya lang yung consistent na 3.25% versus dun sa other digital banks na nag-iiba-iba yung interest rate. But abangan nyo na lang kung magpo-promo sila kasi like last year, nag-promo sila ng 4% interest rate sa mga first accounts na mag-open. Okay, so other perks na pwede ko pang ma-share is for DiskarTech, meron silang member get member promo. So, kapag nagkaroon ka na ng account, meron ka ng NegosyanTech code. So, nakapag-refer ako ng user, 50 pesos ang makukuha ko. For the one na ni-refer ko, kailangan niya lang makomplete yung mission and depende sa mission na makukomplete niya, yun yung makukuha niyang price. So, ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung mechanics or you can visit diskartech.ph/promotions for their promos. So, marami kasing nagsasuggest na ibalik nila yung before. So, may paramdam sila sa Facebook na ibabalik nila yung dating mechanics ng member get member promo, which is for CIMB naman, for their Upsave account, they have free life insurance coverage of 250,000 pesos by just maintaining a minimum average daily balance of 5,000 pesos. So, takeaway for this video, guys, these accounts are merely for your emergency funds or your cash on hand para habang hindi nyo siya ginagamit, at least kapag nasa digital banks lang na mga to, tumutubo siya kahit papano. So, ways na mapalago talaga yung money nyo is through doing business or doing investments. So, I tried G-Invest. So, i-observe ko pa siya kung paano. So, abangan nyo na lang yung video ko about that. So, that's it for this video, guys. I hope na may natutunan kayo. And see you guys on my next vlog. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you for watching! Bye!